Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and the specific app causing ads, because procedures differ between versions. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Apps or directly to the Google Play Store app page. Make sure to back up any important app data or account credentials in case you need to reinstall or change accounts. Now, tap the app showing ads and prepare to inspect permissions, notifications, and storage so you can change behavior at the source. You now focus on the app-level controls. Disable notifications and pop-up permissions to stop intrusive ads from appearing. If ads come from browser redirects, clear defaults for the browser and clear its cache and cookies. This reduces tracking and ad triggers. If an app is pre-installed and advertising, consider uninstalling updates or restricting background data and battery usage to limit ad fetching. Make sure to test the app between changes so you can finish by running Google Play Protect and updating all apps, because malicious or outdated apps often serve ads. Next, configure a secure DNS or use a privacy-focused browser with built-in ad blocking to reduce web ads system-wide. If ads persist, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If it is, uninstall that app or reinstall it cleanly. One key troubleshooting tip: safe mode isolates apps so you can identify and remove the offending app quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.